Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Start by examining the box and all included materials carefully. Find the serial number on the box and on the right ear cup for a match. Compare that serial number by entering it on Apple.com/verify to confirm authenticity. Inspect the outer packaging for tight seams, high-resolution printing, and correct Apple fonts. Open the box to ensure the lightning cable, smart case, and manuals are present and neatly packed. Fake units often have missing items or poor assembly quality compared to originals. Next, inspect the headphones themselves under good light and in your hands. Look for aluminum ear cups and a fabric mesh headband with a tight weave. Confirm the hinge action is smooth, feels solid, and the magnetic clasp engages strongly. Check the digital crown and volume controls for precise clicks and minimal play. Examine ear pad stitching and the memory foam padding for consistent density and fit. Counterfeit units usually show loose seams, plastic parts, and uneven paint or finish. Finally, verify software behavior and sound quality with your iPhone or Mac. Pair the AirPods Max with an iPhone and watch for an instant device card showing battery, spatial audio, and noise control options. Play diverse music to test active noise canceling, transparency mode, and spatial audio processing. Evaluate bass response and overall tonal balance for clarity at different volumes. In Settings, open Bluetooth or device info and confirm the displayed serial.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.